In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play the song Astronaut in the Ocean by Masked Wolf. Here's a demo of what that song sounds like. What you know about rolling down in the deep when your brain goes numb? You can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that all in slow motion. I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. What you know about rolling down in the deep when your brain goes numb? Hey, thanks so much for checking out this tutorial. If you have your ukulele on you and it's in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A, then let's dive right into this tutorial. Also, you're invited to be a part of my ukulele community on Patreon. It's called the U Crew, and there you'll have access to chord charts, exclusive tutorials, and other opportunities to strum along with uke players around the world. So join the family, click on the link in my description box below, and I hope to see you there. And finally, I want to give a special thanks to my friends at Leolani for allowing me to showcase this brilliant ukulele model. It's a tenor size uke, and I love the cedar top, love the ebony on the sides and the back. It plays great, it sounds great, and if you want to get your hands on this nice ukulele model, then check out the link in my description box below. Next, there's 3 chords that we need to know in order to play Astronaut in the Ocean. And those chords are E minor, G major, and F sharp minor. Now, if you already know how to play those 3 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead. Otherwise, we're going to break down these chords together. So the first chord for the song is E minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the first string of the 2nd fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 4th fret. This is E minor. The next chord is G major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. And the last chord for the song is F sharp minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 1st fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. This is F sharp minor. Now we're going to learn the string pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, pause, up, chuck, down, pause, chuck. Let's play through that string pattern now on the E minor chord. 1, 2, E minor, down strum, ready, play. Down, pause, up, chuck, down, pause, chuck. 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 By the way, if you want to learn more about how to chuck on the ukulele, then check out my How to Chuck Ukulele tutorial. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be E minor for the down pause portion of the string pattern, G major for the up chuck portion of the string pattern, and then F sharp minor for the down pause chuck portion of the string pattern. Let's combine all those elements together. 1 and 2 and E minor, down strum, ready, play. Down, pause, up, chuck, down, pause, chuck. 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 And now let's play that chord progression and the string pattern a little bit faster. 1, 2, E minor, down strum, ready, play. Down, pause, up, chuck, down, pause, chuck. 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 Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the string pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Astronaut in the Ocean. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This isn't a frame, but I know I don't blame. Everything I say, I seem to deflate. Let me elevate, this ain't a prank. Have you walking and I'm playing la 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 like both hands together. Let me pray. I've been going right around, call that relay. Pass the baton back and I'm on swimming in the pool. Could you learn my want a piece of this, a piece of mine, my piece of sign? Can you please be between the lines? My rhymes incline to break your spine. They say that I'm so fine, you could never match my grind. Please do not waste my time. What you know about rolling down in the deep when your brain goes numb? You can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that all in slow motion. I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that all in slow motion. I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Astronaut in the Ocean. And that's you play Astronaut in the Ocean by Masked Wolf. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial, and I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give a special thanks to my friend Chance Wagenfield for supporting me on Patreon and for allowing me to continue creating ukulele content like this tutorial. Again, don't forget to subscribe, to join the U-Crew on my Patreon page, and to check out these next tutorials so you can keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.